Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great and safe. Today's video is going to be a DIY video, but just to present it differently, I vlogged few moments of a day and added here and there. Hope you liked the way. If you did, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's start with today's video. For the first DIY, I took a geometric heart as a reference from the Pinterest. I'll link few other options in the description box below. Just go and check it out. For the wall hanging which I'm making today, I took the help of grilled sticks. You can also go with a broomstick or any sort of stick and cut the stick according to the size of the picture you have taken. Just be careful with the sharp items while doing. Add all the pieces with any sort of adhesive. Here I used the glue gun and painted it with black. You can use any choice of your preference. You can see that the color is not sticking to the adhesive part, so I used tissue paper and colored it. Okay, for the next clay DIY, I used Fevicryl molded epoxy compound, which is used for making decor and 3D arts, which comes with a 400 grams hardener and 400 grams resin. For our DIY, you need to take one packet of both hardener and resin. Make sure to keep in mind that you have to mix both the hardener and resin part thoroughly to make it a single color. Then only you can make the products you want. To make it non-sticky, use any sort of talcum powder or any baby powder. To make the mold soft, here I use a gum bottle. To cut it into a round shape, I use a bowl and a cutter.